Doubles final underway again. Been in their fourth final. 2007. Yeah, getting in 2005. Of course, Andresetti one has been in 5 finals, but his first was 2004.
Yeah.
But Lee Yong-dae and Yu Young-sung have both been in 4 finals with 2 different partners. Just wide, some time, recuperating. Then, of course, just before Steen,
No.
you don't become bad players overnight. I mean, they're still world-class players. They've just got to believe in themselves.
And that's the thing. Self-confidence is a very fragile thing.
Yes.
But I think the win against Liu Raikkonen and Daniel Martin in the quarterfinal meant a lot. And important tournaments they've lost, and now Gideon is coming back from injury, an injury that he's much better than last year at this time here, where he was sort of hiding at the net, I think because of his injury problems.
Oh, that's well intercepted from Alfie. Oh, that's a moment of magic from
Gideon, knowing the history that there was an incident in Indonesia Open where they didn't look, but so far the minions, they've started magnificently.
Strings are gone in Sukamuljo's racket.
Lovely. Be able to see the racket action.
Now, on the left. Oh. Steen, I have to ask Kobayashi, North Dubai and Mulhilda.
Yeah.
And
Astrup and Rasmussen, they are very fluctuating in their consecutive tournaments, but
yeah.
I just feel that it's important for them to get past the first round of the tournament to sort of get used to the arena, and I also think those
Denmark Open, there was an awful lot of players that were injured or ill after that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Players playing more. But on the other hand, Japan hasn't done it extremely well here in this tournament overall. The way I see it, they've seemed under pressure. Fantastic pirouette defense there.
Oh, the court. And he's just...
Doesn't always medal at the World Championships. Europe doesn't always medal.
Yeah. Yeah. And in fact, yeah, that's, yeah.
Service over.
Well, that's,
Important service here from RIAN too.
and it was a good service.
It was.
And they've done it.
Three.
Yeah.
Service over.
Alfian,
Yeah, I think it could be difficult getting the right length on your shots.
good flick.
Service over.
Nice. Saw the gap. That's great awareness from... Oh, great interception from Sukumo.
Service over.
Pressure on the service situation and the return. Missed it.
Position there, he was almost mid-court area.
Service.
Well left. What's that? Oh, touched him. They did detecting that.
Yeah.
I like that. Good umpiring. They've got to work as a team, the quarterfinal.
Only call what you see.
Yeah, good defence there from... Oh. My goodness me. Terrific. Was at the big game interval. Yeah, well judged. Good call from Gil.
Player that's not too confident in his own serve.
Service.
Come on!
Service over.
So that's two service errors from Alfian and Ardianto. That's right into the corner. That's a lovely shot from Sukamolio. Now a service error from Gil.
Hold on. Yeah.
Was a good call by them.
There you go. That's a clever, clever smash from Sukamura at the net.
Who produced their best.
Oy,
Oh, that was going
Wade.
this year. Nice from up.
Service over.
2 game points have come.
It's gone long.
Wait, and no challenges. He's missed it.
Look at this.
Out.
Match point 20. Service
Oh,
over.
service fault.
Oi, that's fantastic save by Adi.
He could have played it. Oh, my goodness me. Now a service error. That's
Long.
gone long.
Wait, what?
Not the best of serves, was it? It was a shocker. He's missed it. Good flick.
Gone long.
Way long. So a second. Yeah.
That one.
So a fifth. Good serve. Yeah, the miss. And again. The second game.
Wait, what a save!
I don't know. He was always going to flick his last 2 serves. Yeah, good play from Ardi Anto. Good serve. They've done it on their 6 game point opportunities. And FAJAR, Alfian and Mohamedou take their 4th World